I'm here with fitness phenom, Demitris Thomas. I'm so excited that she came all the way up, well, not just to visit me, but she came up to talk to me about business. And look, she is eating skinny. And so am I, because I'm not eating the rice in there. I just drank the soup. And we have a visitor. What's your name? This is Sis. Tamika doesn't like to be. She doesn't like to be on this. No. She ran yesterday out the room, but she's on it because she's been captured by myself, Fat Boy Getting Skinny. Okay. So, thank you for coming to see us. And her fitness stuff is like on point. Look at this. Who eats like this? Not even the Fat Boy Getting Skinny. And so, you can be skinny if you try. Just eat good all the time. Get skinny.